Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Venus EduTech. In this video I will teach you the topic partnership which comes under the quantitative aptitude section. So let's start. Consider the two partners B, A and B. That is, let A and B are two partners. A invest rupees X and B invest rupees Y for a year in a business. Here investment of partners are for the same time. That is, for 1 year A invest rupees X and B invest rupees Y. Then at the year end, A's share of profit by B's share of profit, or the ratio of A's share of profit to B's share of profit is equal to X is to Y or X by Y. Now consider A and B invest for different time periods. That is, if A invests for rupees X for P months and B invests rupees Y for Q months, then the ratio of A's share of profit to B's share of profit is equal to X into P is to Y into Q, or XP divided by YQ. This is the overall idea behind partnership. So we can go to the questions now. So the question is, A, B and C started a business by investing rupees 18,000, rupees 8,000 and rupees 15,000 respectively. At the end of 6 months from the start of the business, A and B invested an additional amount rupees 2,000 each and C withdrew rupees 4,000. If at the end of the year the annual profit received was rupees 10,250, what was B's share in the profit? And these 5 options are given. So here what you have to do is write A, B and C. These are the 3 persons investing in a business, right? And A invested 18,000 for 6 months. Total duration they invested is for 1 year. And for the first 6 months, A invested 18,000. Okay. Wait. And B, for the first 6 months, B invested rupees 8,000, right? So 8,000 for 6 months. Wait. And for in case of C invested rupees 15,000 for 6 months. Okay. Now read the next sentence. At the end of 6 months from the start of the business, that is after 6 months, the remaining 6 months are there, right? For that remaining 6 months, A and B invested an additional amount rupees 2,000 each. That means the rest 6 months A invested an additional amount of rupees 2,000, that is 18,000 plus an additional investment of 2,000. 18,000 plus 2,000, it is 20,000, right? Understood? So for the rest 6 months, A invested 20,000. Understood? For the first 6 months, A invested 18,000, and for the rest 6 months, A invested an additional amount of 2,000. 18,000 plus 2,000, it is 20,000. And in case of B, the remaining 6 months, B also invested an additional amount of rupees 2,000. B invested 8,000 and additional amount of 2,000. 8,000 plus 2,000, it is 10,000. B invested for the remaining 6 months. And in case of C withdrew rupees 4,000. That means C invested 15,000 for the first 6 months, and after that C withdrew 4,000. That means 15,000 minus 4,000, it is 11,000. So for the remaining 6 months, C invested 11,000, only 11,000. Understood? And now solving this, we will get, so this is ratio, that's why I have put is to, right? A is to B is to C. And on solving this, we will get 2,28,000, and on solving this, we will get 1,08,000, and on solving C, we will get 1,56,000. Now simplifying these 3, we will get 19 is to 9 is to 13. That is 19, it is A's share, and 9x is its B share, and 13x it is C share. And it's also given that the annual profit received was rupees 10,250. That means the annual profit received by these 3 persons are rupees 10,250. Then what was B's share in the profit? You have to calculate the share of B, that is 9. So how to calculate B's share? 9 by 19 plus 9 plus 13 into the total profit received, that is rupees 10,250. Okay, that is 9 by 41 into 10,250, and on solving we will get the answer 2,250. So B's share in the profit, it is rupees 2250. That is first option. This is the question asked in Andhra Bank PU 2015. Going to the second question, A, B and C started a business with their investments in the ratio 1:2:4. After 6 months, A invested the half amount more as before and B invested the same amount as before, while C withdrew 1/4 of his investment. Find the ratio of their profits at the end of the year, and these are the options. So A is to B is to C, the three persons. Let from the start of the business A invested X, that is 1 into X, that is 1X, and it is equal to X, and B invested 2X and C invested 4X from the start of the business. So it is given that after 6 months A invested the half amount as before, so on. That means for the first 6 months A invested X, 1 into X, it is X. So for the first 6 months A invested 6X plus weight, and for the first 6 months B invested 2x into 6, and for the first 6 months C invested 4x into 6 plus. Now after 6 months A invested the half amount more as before. That means earlier A invested X and half amount more, that means plus X by 2 A invested after 6 months. So 2x plus x, it is 3x by 2. So for the remaining 6 months A invested 3x by 2. Understood? Now after 6 months B invested the same amount as before. That means B invested 2x and again the same amount he invested after 6 months. That means again 2x. 2x plus 2x, it is 4x. So for the remaining 6 months, 4x into 6 B invested. Okay. And C, after 6 months, C withdrew 1/4 of his investment. C's investment was 4x and he withdrew means minus. You have to subtract 1/4 of his investment, 1/4 of 4x from his investment. That is, it is 4x minus x, it is equal to 3x. So for the rest 6 months, C invested 3x into 6. Understood? So on solving, you will get like this, that is 15x, and for B it is 36x, and for C it is 42x. And on simplifying, you will get 5 is to xxx get cancelled, 5 is to 12 is to 14. So the question is, find the ratio of their profits at the end of the year, and the required ratio is 5 is to 12 is to 14, and the answer is option C. Okay. This is the question asked in IBPS PO prelims. Now going to the workout questions. Geeta, Shweta and Sita invested rupees 4,200, rupees 8,400 and rupees 5,400 respectively while starting a business. At the end of the year, they earned a profit of rupees 24,000. Sita invested 32% of her share of the profit in a savings scheme. How much amount is left with her? Options: rupees 5432, rupees 4324, rupees 4899, rupees 5966 and rupees 4896. Second workout question. A, B and C enter into a partnership. A invests some money at the beginning, B invests double the amount after 6 months, and C invests thrice the amount after 8 months. If the annual profit be rupees 27,000, C's share is options: rupees 9,000, rupees 11,250, rupees 10,800 and rupees 8,625. And the third workout question is, A, B and C started a business with their investment in the ratio of 1:3:5. After 4 months, A invested the same amount as before, but B as well as C withdrew half of their investments. The ratio of their profits at the end of the year is options: 1:2:3, 3:4:15, 3:5:10, 5:6:10 and 4:5:10. Like that of ages, this topic is also an easier one, right? I will give you the solutions of the workout questions in the next video. If you find my channel useful and informative, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day and thank you.